store finds, rocking chair. I found this in a little store in a seaside town. It was supposed to go in my cabin that I built long ago. That's how long I've had this thing. It's really nicely constructed. Made out of solid wood. It's got a lacquer finish to it. It's really cool. I thought it'd go great in that cabin. It's perfect size for my 12-inch action figure, although I don't think it was originally created for action figures. I think you're supposed to put stuffed animals in it. But hey, it works for me. It would have gone great in that cabin. Maybe I'll just build another one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.